Yes, 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 yes. Hello, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is August favorites video. I will show you guys yung mga paborito ko for the month of October. And no, October. This is going to be my second to the last favorites video na nandito ako. Kasi September favorites, tapos sa October wala na ako dito. So siguro yung October favorites ko i-film ko, nandun ako sa aking kwarto. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I will show you guys the products that I have been loving for the month of August. Before ako mag-start sa mga makeup, kasi mostly makeup sila. Merong nail polishes, pero we'll talk about that last. But first, I'm gonna talk about this shirt right here. This is my first time wearing this, and I like it. Off-shoulder shirt siya. And di ba yung ibang off-shoulder, kapag ginaganon mo yung kamay mo, gumaganon dito, tignan mo, hindi siya pupunta dito. Like, see? So I can move around and it's still off shoulder. This one I got from Gear Best. But yeah, this is my first time wearing this, and I just want to mention na it's my favorite as well because I just really like na hindi siya like pumupunta dito kapag inaano ko yung kamay ko. You know what I mean? I will leave the link below if you guys are interested. And also, this necklace that I'm wearing right here, let's just kind of forget that meron siyang malaking buhol right here. I'm not sure if you can see. I hope you can. Kasi meron siyang buhol, and I didn't really want to wear this kasi meron siyang buhol, but I was like, you know what, it will look really great with the top that I have right now. It's very dainty and very cute. I got this from Kim's Collections 2015 PH, and you guys, ang tagal na sa akin ito, and hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin siya nagta-tarnish. Like, bongga yung mga jewelries ni Kim. Again, links will be below. And then, last thing na nasa body ko is my contact lenses. This is from Pink Icon. This is the shade Geneve 3 brown, something like that. I really do like this contacts, as in sobrang gusto ko siya. Wala siyang dark na border, so parang natural looking siya, and I really do like that. I will also leave the link of Pink Icon below because they have a lot of contact lenses, and I believe they offer free shipping worldwide. I mean, siguro depende sa inyong order, but yes, like, look at that. Nice! Okay, so onto the makeup. This bad boy right here. I have been using this a lot lately. Ito yung Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar Palette. I have some of the shades on my eyes right now, and I really do like the pigmentation. I just feel like itong mga shades na to perfect sa mga morena kasi marami sila mga dark shades, and you guys know, if hindi ganun ka-dark, hindi siya nag-show up talaga sa skin tone natin. This one is just perfect. The pigmentation is there. I have this shade on my eyes right now, and then this shade as well. And then parang ito din. Hindi ko pa nagamit as in lahat ng shades dito, but so far sa lahat ng nagamit ko, sobrang nagugustuhan ko sila. It smells like chocolate. So sa mga tao dyan na gustong-gusto yung chocolate, this will be heaven for you. Like when you're applying your makeup, you will smell chocolate. Yes. And then next one is another eyeshadow palette. This one is hindi ganun kamahal kaysa sa Too Faced, pero the quality is not as good as the Too Faced one. I mean, alam naman natin, yung mga quality ng Too Faced is just really up there, you guys, you know? This one, not bad at all. I actually used this in my Get Ready With Me video, yung Magbisaya Ta Get Ready With Me video. Those are the shades right there. These are really pigmented as well. Hindi siya as creamy as, again, the Too Faced, pero okay na siya for the price. Lahat ng shades dito para sa akin maganda. As you guys can see, I have been using them. This one is a really nice transition shade. I really like the black shade in this palette right here kasi as in black talaga siya. Merong mga fallouts, especially yung mga ganitong shades, yung mga medyo shimmery, pero hindi like over na fallout. So okay lang siya. Next makeup item is again from BYS. Ito din ginamit ko siya sa Magbisaya Ta Get Ready With Me video. And when I did that video, I remembered na I really do like this blush. So I was like, I need to feature that on my favorite video. This one is the BYS Contour Trio. I really do like the blush in here, you guys, and the contour shade. The highlight, no, that's a big miss para sa akin. It's not a highlight para sa akin. And look at how sleek that is. Ang daming product mong makukuha. I'm not sure kung magkano to. I can see this as a powder under your eyes if gusto mo lang i-highlight yung part na yun. But this is not a shimmery like Becca highlight. It's not like that at all. It's more of like a, parang meron siyang satin finish na ganun. Para lang siyang light na powder. So you can use this under your eyes to highlight your under eyes. Pero as a highlight like this, no, you can't use this as that. But then again, the blush and the contour, they're good. And the contour shade, it might look light, pero it actually shows up sa morena kong skin. So I really do like this one. Speaking of highlight, I still do really like my Becca. That is still like my top favorite highlight. Pero lately, I have been using the Too Faced Candlelight Glow Highlighting Powder Duo. This is in the shade Warm Glow. I have it on my cheeks right now. I have been using this a lot lately kasi gusto ko yung really subtle na highlight lang. So as you guys can see, it's very subtle. It's not like, you know, in your face, baba boom highlight like my Becca. I don't have any problems with that though. Like, I really do like my Becca. And the shade that I have on my face right now is this shade right here. Next one is this Zoeva eyeliner pen. Long-lasting stylo liner. This is in the shade Blackest Black. What I like so much about this one is the applicator. Like, look how precise and long that tip is, you guys. I can't say na it's like a game changer na, oh my gosh, kapag ito yung ginamit mo, magiging pro ka sa pag-apply ng wing liner. Kasi kahit na ito yung gamit ko, hindi pa rin ako pro. Like, I'm still struggling. But I do believe that practice pa more and you will get there. So, I will keep practicing. Pero sobrang nakakatulong siya. Especially sa pag-create ng wing ganon doon. Kasi yung ginagawa ko is parang ginaganon ko lang siya. That, and meron na akong wing. Because it's so long and it's pointed, parang igaganan ko lang siya, meron na akong wing automatically. And now, yung problema ko na lang is kung paano siya i-fill in. You know what I mean? Okay, next one is an eyeliner. Now, I wanted to feature this in my favorites video because I do really like it as an eyeliner. And also, I wanted to show you guys na meron ding product from Color Collection na I actually like. Kasi sa video ko na tracking products like disappointing products, I featured 2 products from Color Collection which I didn't like. Obviously, that's why it's there. Pero, meron akong product from them na I do really actually like. And this is the Color Collection Retractable Eyeliner Waterproof Pen. I use this also on my hacks video. And if you watch that video, nakita nyo na as in nagsistay talaga siya sa skin. I have this on my waterline right now, the upper waterline. And I like that it really stays in there. And also, this is really pigmented. And also, it's retractable. So, like, you know, very convenient. I like that you don't have to sharpen it, you know. You guys, look at that. And I like brown liner for my waterline. Kapag black kasi for me, parang, oh yes, meron kang liner sa waterline mo. Parang brown, more subtle, and parang mas natural tingnan. And next one is a lip product. And this is, I think, the only lip product. Maybe not only, that's exaggerating. But ito lagi yung ginagamit ko sa lips ko. If you guys watch my vlog, it's always this. This is the Colourpop Lippy Pencil in the shade Dopey. You guys know me, I love using lip liners as lipsticks. I just do. Pero this one is very creamy. Yung formula niya is parang lipstick lang. Pero you get the precision of a lip liner. Kasi nga, diba, it's a lip liner. Pero again, yung formula niya parang lipstick. Very creamy. It goes on the lips really nicely. And when I started using this, parang hindi ko na masyadong gusto yung Essence lip liner ko. I used my Essence lip liner today and parang nadadrag niya yung lips ko na parang mahirap siya i-apply because sanay na ako sa kung gaano kadali i-apply to sa lips. Like, sobrang dali lang. And also, yung staying power niya, gustong-gusto ko siya. Like, after isang kainan, nandun pa rin yung lip liner. That's the reason why this is my go-to. So, kapag ito yung ginamit ko, hindi na ako nagre-retouch at all. Okay, next one is this one, a makeup sponge. I know you guys are all familiar. This is the Real Techniques magic sponge. What do you call this? Miracle sponge. That's what you call this one. I love this. Parang naglalaro lang ako kapag ginagamit ko siya. It's really soft and it works really well. I'm pretty sure I don't have to tell you that because a lot of people do like it and I do get it now why ang daming may gusto nito. Sobrang gusto ko yung flat na part right here para sa concealer ko. My gosh. This helps the blending, foundation, and concealer concealer really freaking easy. Okay, last are nail polishes. I have two right here. This one is from W7 nail polish. I believe it is an Australian brand or maybe from New Zealand. I'm not sure. This is in the shade Buff. I have it on my toenails. Dalawang beses ko na siya straight ginamit sa toes ko because I really do like it. Do you want to see my toes? No, you don't want to. So if you don't want to, close your eyes, but there. It's just a really beautiful color and parang sosyalin tingnan yung paa mo kapag ito yung gamit mo. I just really like it. And then the last nail polish and the last one sa favorites video na to is the Kylie Signature Collection. This is from Sinfulcolors. Ito yung favorite formula ko from Sinfulcolors, yung Sinful Shine, and this one is in the shades Slay Gray. I have it on some of my fingernails right now. So yan yung ano niya. I like that it's meron siyang glitters na silver at saka gold ata or just gold. Di ko alam, basta sobrang ganda niya sa nails. And gustong-gusto ko yung formula ng Sinful Shine. Sa lahat siguro ng nail polish na nagamit ko, ito yung pinaka-long lasting sa nails ko. And you guys, I've used a lot of nail polishes. So, like, you know, that's saying something. That's it. That's it for this video. If I sound like nagmamadali ako, it is because nagmamadali ako. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like if you did. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Do not forget to be good. Bye! Anyway, I filmed this makeup look. This will be up after this video. Not really. May mga ganon talaga ako. Kunin ko muna yung nahulog na brush. Yes! So, yes.